Imagine turning reality into your own video game. A world where anything becomes possible. Where your ideas don't stay ideas, but become real. Where you feel the freedom of flight, the precision, the rush, the impossible perspective of a machine built to defy gravity. Where creativity has no ceiling, no limits, no rules. This is the Antigravity A1, a new way to see the world. .360 degrees in 8K, capturing everything with razor-sharp clarity. With a replaceable lens system, all of that in a body that weighs only 249 grams. Backed by advanced smart safety tech, obstacle awareness, precision stability, and real-time protection when it matters most. Able to push more than 10 kilometers of range and stay in the air for up to 39 minutes. It's your move. You see the world in your own way, from angles nobody else has, with a perspective that's yours and yours only. So take it higher, push the limits, show the world what you see, raw and unapologetic. Now go break gravity. Be anti-gravity.